first off put down a layer of sticks on the ground. So if you feel that ground, it feels quite cold and damp. So by putting a platform of sticks down, it does quite a few things. So yeah, that's it, just any of those sticks. And this protects it from the cold ground initially. It allows air to travel in underneath and build the fire up, but also because all these sticks are dead, it means that these will start to burn, and then that gives a really good heart to the fire, makes it much stronger. However, I decided it'd be quite good to make life a little bit challenging for us, and rather than just get a lighter, I thought we'd make fire in the traditional method. So this is just some dry grass. We're going to go with a bow drill method.
Okay.
So the first step we need to do, just clear this bit of ground, is we just need to burn, it's called burning in. So it's burning this circumference, this face, into the baseboard there, and then once we've got this black, we're going to cut a notch in, and then that's where our ember is going to form. And then you're going to take hold of the end of the bow. We're just going to go backwards and forwards like that, okay? We're going to start off nice and slowly, and the aim is to use the full length of the bow so we can be as efficient as possible. Okay, so to you, and then back, that's it. Nice and slow to begin with. I've taught probably thousands of people how to do this over the years on courses, and the reason people fail to make fire is often because they fail to prepare. So it's much better, especially when the weather's really bad, to spend an hour preparing everything, trying to find all the dry materials, making sure everything's absolutely perfect. Okay, and stop there. There's our ember. See it smoking away there?
Yeah.
Okay. See it glowing?
Yeah. That's quite
Amazing, isn't it?
good. Yeah.
Now, I'm going to tap it into the middle here. Let's just, you have to be very gentle with it at this stage. You want it to be nice and compact in there, and then you're going to fold it round like the edges. If you imagine the embers where my thumb is,
Yeah.
and you're going to blow onto that nice and steady. There we go. Great. I'll take that down there. I'll just turn it upside down because fire always likes to burn upwards. And we'll take our sticks we gathered earlier. We'll just place those over the top. All right. High five. Good job.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
I've learnt so much today, but it's a bit dark, so I think I'm going to head off.
Okay, no
Okay.
problems. And if you do get lost in the woods, you know how to make a fire and catch a trout and things.
Yeah, definitely.
Great.
Thank
All right,
you
lovely
very
meeting
much.
you.
And you.
All right,
Thank
safe trip
you.
out.
Bye.
See you later, mate.